Hey guys, it's Melissa. In this video, we are just going to get straight to the settings. If you want to make rolls of stickers on your iColor 250, there are quite a few settings that you need to know how and when to adjust. So it's not just the printer settings. You also need to go into the utility and make some adjustments so that you can print rolls of stickers. These are awesome. Customers love rolls of stickers. They are a really great way to deliver them. So how exactly do you do that? I'm going to show you exactly that. Let's start over in iColor Custom Cut. In order to make this a roll of stickers, what I need to do is go into Print. So I have my whole list of printers here. These are all the printers connected to my computer. I need to obviously pick the iColor 250. Now, this is where you are going to set up the print. So if you want a roll of stickers, let's say I want 10 of these. All right, so I'm going to change the number of copies to 10. I need to make sure that I am on print and cut because I wanted to not only print the sticker but also contour cut the sticker. And then I'm going to go through these other options. I typically don't change any of these except when I get down here to printer options. So this here where you get printer options and it opens up printer features, if you click the little icon there, this is where you are going to set up the different printer options. All right, so here under print quality, you can decide, are you going to do this as a draft? Do you want it to be the best quality? I will tell you that the further down the list you get, the better quality you get, but it will take slightly longer. This is still a very fast printer, but just so you know. Color matching, these are your print profiles, and they are based on the type of material you are using. So right now I have a sticker roll in there. So I am going to use the Gloss Premium because that's what I have in there. And then if you want an even better quality, but again, going to take a little bit longer to print, you can change from bidirectional to unidirectional, okay? Okay, now before you click print, you need to open up the utility. So we're going to open up the Print Center here, and that opens up my printer utility. You don't need to do anything in these first two most likely. This third option here is where you're going to get a whole bunch of options. So I don't typically do anything on these first two, all right? Just leave those alone for right now. Do make sure you're on continuous though. And then output. So when do you want your row of stickers or your roll of stickers to sheet cut? I do not want it to sheet cut until I'm at the very end. Okay, that's what makes it a roll. So I'm going to tell it that I want to cut after I press the button, and the button is the feed button on the front of the printer. So I'll get to that at the end. All right. Next thing, you need to go into XY cutter and just make sure that your knife pressure is set to the correct material based on the material you're having. So I typically print on or cut on a 3 or a 4 for this sticker paper, all right? And then you shouldn't need to do anything else. So just click set, and then you're all right here. And we're gonna go back to our printer settings and click print. I told you it was quite a few settings, but once you get it down, it's actually very easy, and it's going to pay off because being able to deliver stickers as a roll to your customers is going to give you an advantage. I actually love using my iColor 250 this way because it's actually one of the easiest machines to create rolls of stickers. Now, one thing to keep in mind, you do not have to use the same design all over your roll. You can actually put multiple sticker designs on the same roll. I will do another tutorial on exactly how to do that as it's another added step, but I did want you guys to get the basics on making roll stickers. And just remember, you're not limited to 10. You can add as many as you want. Your roll can go on and on and on. And I love this method because, again, not only is it a great way to deliver, but it's also super easy to weave these all the way down. Couple of things, if you are looking for one-on-one personalized same-day support with your iColor 250 or any of the other machines that you see in my studio that I have on my channel, I offer all of that through Silhouette U. The link is in the description below, along with where you can pick up the best bundles for the iColor 250, where you can pick up supplies as far as different materials, if you need extra ink, those types of things. Everything is in the description below.